Okay guys, so what I've got here is two GoPros, a 5 and a 7, which everyone knows the 5, 6, and 7 are the exact same fitment and form factor in every way. I've got the same top frame and I've got a regular frame right here. So I'm going to put this older 5 into this regular frame and I'm just going to show you how they're made differently. Maybe I am. Okay, I'm gonna put my 7 into the new same top frame. Oh wow, I don't know, that actually slides in a lot easier. I'm not sure if it'll be, it seems like it's secure, but the 7 just slides in a lot easier. And the 7 does have a little bit of a smoother surface than the 5, so let's see if maybe that's just the reason. Nope. So the same top does seem to be a little bit of a more relaxed fit, which is great because a lot of times I find myself just having to put 2 thumbs and just really push hard to get my GoPro out of the case, and I'm not really sure that should be necessary. So let's put that back in there. Okay. Let's see how well the clip works. Okay. It obviously fits snug, just as oddly it seems to fit just as snug as the other one, but yet it's so much easier going in there. So here compares your side access. The other frame has, you have to actually hit this mode cover to get through to the regular mode button. So you have to really press it well, where this one you just have a cutout and you can actually press the mode button on the GoPro itself. I think I'll like that a lot because honestly a lot of times I feel myself really pressing this really hard and it doesn't seem to do anything, so then I doubt that it's contacted the button inside, so then I do it again, and I'd just rather go right to the GoPro button. I just think it makes more sense that way. Now another thing that's important to me is a lot of these frames, especially the one that comes with the GoPro, they're really hard for a guy like me that bites his fingernails and doesn't have any fingernails. I've got a couple frames, a lot of times I have to grab a bolt and lodge it underneath just to get it to release. You can see I can get this one okay, but I have some other ones that are pretty tough. Let's check this one. This is brand new, not broken in. Okay, it's even easier than this one that's been broken in for months and months. I mean, no problem whatsoever. Seems to work well. So I've had some frames where these come off. As long as that doesn't happen real easily, I'll be pumped about that for the frame. Now let's take a look at the other side. As you can see on the old one, you have just enough room to access the ports as long as you've taken the door off before. Now the idea behind the same top is that you can take the door off without removing the frame. Let's see if that's possible. And it clearly is. You can see a lot more room there to access the ports, which is good because sometimes when I put my mic in right there on the side, I feel like it's sitting really close to the frame. There's just not much, it's almost like rubbing it, and that's clearly not going to happen on this. Let's see if I can get the door back on. Absolutely easy, guys. Plenty of room to work with. I mean, really can't get any better than that. Additionally, with the 7 at least, we have this microphone down here on the bottom. We have multiple microphones, but we also have the speaker and microphone on the bottom. And with this old frame, you have no cutout there. So that's not going to work very well, or at least very little cutout there. This is going to be a lot better. Guys, I'm pumped about this. I really, really dig this little cover, how it's like a carbon fiber look. And it does fit snug. That's nice. You can just throw your GoPro in a case. You're not gonna scratch your lens cover like all mine are from just tossing them around in my backpack. That's awesome. Looking at the top, it looks like the cutout is virtually the same on the, well, no, I'm mistaken, I'm sorry. Look at the old frame, the regular frame, and look at the same top. It's got the extra cutout, so that microphone, you can get audio into that microphone. Guys, this is big. Like, when I originally had ordered this same top frame, I thought it was going to be purely their whole marketing point was to be able to remove this, but they've done so much more. There's literally, you can use every microphone now. I mean, there's 4 or 5 ways this is improved over the other one, not just one. I think this is $13 on Amazon, guys. This is going to be, as long as there's no issue right here with this thing is going to be worth every penny. And I can't attest to durability or anything yet because I just unboxed it today. But I'm going to take it to Chili Town MX this weekend, and I'm going to rip it and make sure everything feels durable. I'll have it in and out of there 4 or 5 times, make sure everything feels good. And if I have any durability issues whatsoever, I'll report back on those later. But guys, for 12 or 13 bucks, like this, it's going to enhance your audio. It's going to make life a little bit easier. This is going to be worth every penny. So big thanks to Same Top for coming out with something like this. Guys, whatever you're doing, keep doing the exact same thing. We need more GoPro accessories that have the extra effort put into it to improve just like this one does. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.